Hey everyone, if you're a freelancer creating videos for social media marketing agencies, you need the right tool. Today we're comparing CapCut, Canva, and Descript to find the best one for your SMMA videos. Let's dive in. CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing app super popular for short form content like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It's got a simple drag and drop interface, trendy filters, transitions, and AI tools like auto captions and background removal. It's mobile first, but works on desktop too. Perfect for quick eye-catching videos that grab attention fast. Canva. Canva is known for graphic design but has awesome video editing features too. It offers thousands of templates for social media, presentations, and ads, plus a huge library of stock photos, videos, and music. Its drag and drop editor is great for beginners, and you can add your brand's logos and colors for consistent designs. It's web-based with a solid mobile app. Descript is unique because it lets you edit videos by editing text like a document. It's great for dialogue-heavy videos like podcasts or tutorials. It uses AI for auto transcription, voiceovers, and even fixing audio. It's desktop-focused but has a web version, ideal for professional polished content. Comparison. So which is best for SMMA videos? CapCut shines for fast, trendy, short-form videos. Its AI tools and templates make it easy to create reels or TikToks that pop. Canva is the go-to for branding, letting you mix videos with graphics for cohesive ads or posts. Descript is best for long-form content, like client tutorials for podcasts, thanks to its text-based editing. Verdict: if you're making quick social media clips, pick CapCut. For branded content with graphics, go with Canva. For professional dialogue-driven videos, Descript is your tool. Choose based on your project's needs. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips.